Hi everyone, welcome to Code Kamka's YouTube channel. I hope everybody are doing great. In the last video, we had discussed about introduction of Vault, HashiCorp Vault, and we had discussed about key feature of HashiCorp Vault. And today's video, we will be discussing about how to install HashiCorp Vault on Windows machine. So stay tuned till this video, and if you like my explanation, I request you to subscribe and share to Code Kamka YouTube channel to your friends and family members. Now let's jump into the today's task that installing HashiCorp Vault on Windows machine. I brought few prerequisites along with the steps that we need to follow to install this Vault on Windows machine. The prerequisite is that we need to have installed Chocolate Windows Package Manager on your Windows machine. So first we will do install this Chocolate and later we will install HashiCorp Vault and we will interact the HashiCorp Vault web UI. So let's jump into the concept. The first one, we need to open CMD as administrator. So that I'm going to do that. Just typing CMD, run as administrator, and I'm allowing it for time now. And I'm maximizing it and I'm zooming it for better visibility. So I'm copying this command. This is the command where I can use to install Chocolate on my Windows machine as a root. Root is for Linux as a administrator. So I just press enter. Now it is getting downloaded. So it's trying to install one by one. Now Chocolate has been successfully installed. For double confirmation, you just press Choco. It will give the version. This is a Choco v2.4.0. So now we have successfully installed Choco on our Windows machine. Now with the help of Choco Package Manager, we are going to install HashiCorp Vault. So for that, we have the imaging documentation also. So I'll attach the documentation on this video description. You can go through it. So we have two package manager, Choco and Scoop. So you can use any one of that. So my favorite is Choco, simple and short. So I'm going to use that. The first command you would like to, install Vault. The help of Choco is Choco install Vault. Very simple command. Just copy it, come here, paste it, and press enter. Now it is asking, do you want to run the script so which have already downloaded by the help of Choco Package Manager? I give a yes, so it will run all the script, and accordingly it will install the HashiCorp Vault on my Windows machine. Extracting. So let's see, it has successfully installed Vault on our Windows machine. Let's see the Vault version. We yield to Vault version. So now we have successfully installed v1.18.2, and if I do Vault, so it will show all the commands that we can use it. So now we have successfully installed Vault on our Windows machine. So now what is the next thing? We need to set our IP address with a port number to interact with your um, you know Vault browser. We can say Vault UI. So I'm going to copy this command. So this is my local IP address, and that's 127.0.0.1 colon A2 8200 or A200. So I'm just copying it and coming to my CMD, just paste, and I have set everything. So by that, I need to run the server right. So otherwise, how can I interact with my Vault? So that's why I'm going to run Vault server -dev in the developer mode. If I press enter, my Vault server is getting running, and I can interact with my Vault IP address with the port number of 8200. You can copy it, go to your browser, paste here, and press enter. Now you can see it is asking for signing, where you can get the token as a root or whatever. We have different method of authentication. We can see, in the future, all these, if everything is works fine, because it became a complicated enabling LDAP, Okta, JWT. But let's see in the future. But for time being, we can log in as a root. So for that, I can get the token from here, which is a root token, and then Silky, we have the both, which is coming on our developer version. You can copy that and come here, just paste here. Now I can see there is a amazing UI of HashiCorp Vault, and there is a warning. So you have logged with a root token as a security precautions. This root token will be not stored by the browser, and you will need to re-authenticate it after Windows close or refreshed. It's saying that like every time whenever you just refresh it, you need to re-log in again and again by following this token. So this is how we can install HashiCorp Vault, and you can open the Vault browser. Until unless you're running this like in a developer mode, your browser will up and running. And if I refresh it, the token has gone. I can give the same token. Now it is getting authenticated. So now if we would like to create a secret, so they have a secrets and secret engines, access policies, and we have the imaging UI. We have the CMD. You can interact with that, and we have. If you would like to copy the token, you can copy it. You can interact with the CI/CD pipeline or any root level or programmatic access. So we have bunch of options here. We'll discuss this in the coming session one by one, how we can utilize it and each option. So I'm going to stop this session over here. I hope it is clear for everybody, installing Ashika Vault with a basic setup with a minimal amount of packages and all on Windows machine. So I hope it is clear for everybody, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to YouTube channel of my Code Kamikaze if you like my explanation. If you don't do that, I'll keep asking into the next videos and the upcoming videos and the last videos also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.